Subscribe! What's this? Welcome to an episode of Jack Review Stuff. And this is an episode of Lazada Unboxed. I don't know what these are because when I order something, it takes so long to arrive, like 3 or 4 days, that I've forgotten what I've ordered. And I ordered other stuff too. Something take like a couple of weeks, like that mouse pad that took ages. Okay, comes in the bag that comes in, envelope bag. And bubble wrap, yes, there's bubble wrap. I love it when it's bubble wrap. What do we have here? We have Hello Kitty stapler, yeah! Hello Kitty, la 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 la. Okay. Hello Kitty stapler. Okay, there have been some new rules on YouTube that says that you should mark your content for kids or not for kids. I am 20 plus years old, and my girlfriend is 20 plus years old too. This is for her. We don't have kids, and this video is not for kids. Kids, turn off your YouTube. Don't watch my channel because my channel is not kid friendly. And apparently, if you put kid friendly content on your channel and you mark it not kid friendly, you can get fined 40,000 USD. What is that? I'll tell you more about that in the next video. Okay, this stapler uses size 10 staples, which is the standard staple size. I recommend you buy colored staples. It's double the price, but it looks damn nice. And staples are quite cheap anyway, like a couple of bucks. What can I say? It's a Hello Kitty stapler. Subscribe and buy Hello Kitty stuff. Oh, the staplers here. I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and this is Lazada Unboxed. Okay, this bag, envelope bag, has no bubble wrap that I can see yet. Oh wait, my bad. There is bubble wrap. Sorry seller, you did a good thing. You used an envelope and bubble wrap. Appreciated. What is this? Nicely wrapped. I know what this is. This is a silicone lid for my cups. Okay, when you have a drink, you put it on and it stops the... When did my video stop? Damn it. Okay. This is my silicone Hello Kitty cup cover. It's a nice cover. Look at the... Hi. This is to stop your I don't know, keep your cups clean, so you know we put water inside, things don't fall inside the water. Buy it now. Hello Kitty cup holder. No, cup cover. Subscribe.